Hello friends! Welcome back to Gitter Official. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your identity with USAA in 2026, whether you're setting up a new account or confirming your identity for security reasons. So, let's get started. Why is identity verification important? Before we begin, let's quickly understand why USAA requires identity verification. To comply with federal regulations. To protect your account from fraud or unauthorized access. To make sure only you can manage your financial information. Method 1. Online or mobile app verification. Visit www.usaa.com and log into your account. Go to the Property Insurance Coverage Verification page. Follow the on-screen instructions and enter your required details, such as company ID, house number and zip code or property address. Your USAA number, that's the 9 digits before the letter A in your policy number. Example, if your policy number is 123456789A, your USAA number would be 123456789. Confirm that all the information is correct, complete the security check, and click the green Submit button. Once your verification is complete, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Method 2. Phone verification. If you can't verify online, no worries. Call USAA Member Services at 1-800-531-8722, available 24 hours. The representative will ask you a few security questions related to your account. You may need to provide your social security number, date of birth, or other identifying info. If needed, USAA will send you a one-time passcode via text or email for extra verification. Method 3. In-person verification at a UPS store. In some cases, USAA may ask for in-person verification. You'll receive an email from USAA with full instructions. Visit a participating UPS store with a valid photo ID. UPS staff will help complete your identity verification. Once done, USAA will update your account status. Note, not all UPS stores offer this service. Check your USAA email for the nearest location. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily verify your identity with USAA and keep your account safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Gitter Official for more tech tutorials and guides.